California's got me looking like a beach bum. Sun up in my hair, I'm rocking long beachy curls. I'm feeling like a Cali girl.
Hey guys, it's Cassie. I'm super excited to show you guys today's video. It is going to be a middle school makeup tutorial. I'll have some makeup tutorials for 5th grade, for 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade. It'll be great. But just a huge disclaimer, you obviously do not have to wear any of these makeup looks when you're in that certain grade. Obviously, just do whatever makeup look you feel comfortable with and what your parents feel comfortable with. That's important too. These looks are just kind of if you're lost and you don't know what to do for makeup, I got you. But with all that said, I'm just gonna stop talking and let's get into the video. Ooh, guess what guys? It's voiceover Cassie. Anyways, I'm here to tell you that before all of these looks, you need to be washing your face. Washing your face is important so you don't break out and all that fun stuff. Anyways, so this is the 5th grade look and you're basically just going to be, the first thing is to just put on some chapstick. Cough cough, Carmex, sponsor me. And then I just curl my eyelashes because it's not really makeup, it just makes your eyelashes look like they're there. It's really great concept. But yeah, so I just do that, and then guess what? That is my finished 5th grade makeup look. I know, pretty stunning if you ask me. And now it is the 6th grade look, so first I'm just going to be putting on some Carmex. And now I'll just be curling my eyelashes again. And then I'll be just using the end of this eyebrow pencil that just has a brush on it, and I'll just be brushing out my eyebrows. And this is me putting on the Great Lash Clear Mascara slash Eyebrow Gel, and I'm just putting on my lashes. So yay, pretty exciting if you ask me. And then if you're feeling extra spicy, you can put on some like Burt's Bees tinted chapstick. You know, it just really adds to the look. We love that. And now in 7th grade, things get a little more exciting, and I'm just going to be putting on some concealer. And this is kind of really where my lack of makeup skills kind of become apparent, but that's okay. So I'm just going to be using the CoverGirl Translucent in the shade Fair, because I'm pale.
Banana pancakes for my problems. Find me jamming, old Jack Johnson. Swear I heard them angel calls. Lay outside as heaven falls.
This is my makeup for 7th grade. Okie dokie, now to the fun stuff. 8th grade, ooh. Okay, so now. Oh, that's painful. Oh, every time, Cassie. And now back to the scheduled programming. In 8th grade, I will use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer under my eyes. Although any concealer will do, you don't have to use this specific concealer. And I will also put on my cute bunny-eared headband that I got from the Body Shop to keep the hair out of my face. And then I'll just use my beauty blender to blend it all in. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. La 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 la. This probably isn't a good thing to say in a tutorial, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. La 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 la. Oh, come on. Next, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl True Blend in the shade translucent medium. As if I haven't done it enough already yet today. Next, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. Honestly, I'm not going to be surprised if my eyelashes rip out, you know? Whatever, get that content for you guys. Next, I am just going to be putting on some mascara. This is the Physician Formula Dual Mascara, which one side is length, one side is volume. Right now, I am just using the volume because it looks more natural. This next part is my absolute favorite part, but it is totally optional. Like, all of this stuff is optional. You don't have to do everything, but then you can just do your brows. I am using the Body Shop eyebrow pencil in the medium shade. And the last thing I would add is just some Burt's Bees tinted chapstick. And this is the finished look for 8th grade.
Life is too far to walk alone. You can't do it on your own. It's like bare hands.
And that's all I have for you guys for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my first hashtag kasschool. Yes, we're bringing it back. Hashtag kasschool. You guys should definitely subscribe down below for more back to school videos. But if you're new to my channel and this is the first time seeing one of my videos, yay, I'm so glad you found my channel. If you enjoyed watching, then you should definitely subscribe down below. We'd love to have you, so go subscribe down below. And if you want to see the behind the scenes of my life, then you should definitely follow my Instagram. It's at kasikaycorp. Link down below. Like always, go check it out. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys, and I just wanted to let you guys know that you are beautiful, you are stunning, gorgeous, and just keep being yourself. You got it. Love you!
24/7, 365, might have to be where I